Introduction to Oracle 12c PL/SQL, or Programming Language SQL, Programming Language for Structured Query Language. PL/SQL is a programming language that is embedded inside Oracle database, and it also allows you to encapsulate SQL code, SQL statements that access data in the database. The overall goal of this course is to teach you how to program, firstly, and then also to program in PL/SQL. One assumes that you probably have some basic programming skills. My view and opinion of PL/SQL inside Oracle is that it is a very powerful data crunching language. By data crunching, I mean that it allows you to process data as opposed to something like flying an airplane, which is slightly different. So now, let's go and take a look at a roadmap for this course. What is in this course? Very briefly. Blocks and exception trapping. How to find errors and do something about it. Named blocks are chunks of code that are stored into Oracle database by name so that they can be executed later on, again and again and again. Data types and variables are the slots and buckets that you put values into. A cursor is a chunk of memory that is allocated automatically when you create a query, and it stores the values in the cursor. A record data type maps directly to a record or a row in a table. Building SQL dynamically means that you can create SQL code on the fly. You don't have to specify tables and field names. They can change within your programming code. Programming control structures. Decision-making constructs such as if statements and case statements, iterations such as while and until loops, and goto statements. Resolving names is all about something called dot notation, which we'll learn later on. Subprogramming is essentially calling one program with another. Object-oriented PL/SQL is allowing you to embed objects and their processing structures within PL/SQL code. We can make PL/SQL perform better or run faster with various tips and tricks. There are some very specific PL/SQL elements we need to look at, including many reserved words and a plethora of built-in procedures.